Hello, everyone, and welcome to Everyday Dialogue. Today's topic is common mistakes in English. Our friend Adrian has just moved here and wants to improve. Let's go join him for a lesson. Hi, Adrian. How are you today?
Hello, Clara. I am good, thank you.
Great. I want to ask you some questions in English. Is that okay?
Yes, it is okay, I can answer, but sometimes I make mistakes.
That's why I'm here. Let's start easy. What is your name?
My name is Adrian.
Where are you from, Adrian?
I am from Turkey.
Oh, nice. Which city?
I am from Istanbul.
How old are you?
I am 26 years old.
Are you married or single?
I am married.
That's wonderful. What is your wife's name?
Her name is Elif.
Do you have any children?
Yes, we have one daughter.
How lovely. How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have one brother. I do not have a sister.
Why did you move to this country?
For my job, I am an engineer.
That's a good reason. Do you like it here?
Yes, but the language is difficult sometimes.
Don't worry. We will practice. What common mistakes do you make?
For example, I am agree or I am exciting.
Common mistakes. We say, I agree and I am excited.
I agree, not I am agree.
Correct. Just I agree. Like, I understand. Let's try another. Say, this food is delicious.
This food is delicious.
Perfect. Now, what about she is boring versus she is bored?
I don't know. They sound the same.
Listen, boring is for a thing or person that makes you feel bored. Bored is the feeling. So the lesson is boring. I am bored.
Oh, I understand. So my boss is boring. I am bored in the meeting.
Excellent, Adrian. Now let's talk about pronunciation. Words like ship and sheep.
Ship, sheep. They are hard.
Watch my mouth. Ship is short. Sheep is long. Try.
Ship, sheep.
Good. Now beach and bitch. Be careful.
Hard. Oh no, very different meanings.
Exactly. So let's go to the beach is correct. Let's practice th sound. Say think.
Think,
No, think. Tongue between teeth. Think.
think.
Better. How about weather and weather? They sound the same.
Yes, I always write the wrong one.
Weather is about rain and sun. Weather is like if. I don't know whether to go out. The weather is bad.
I see. This is helpful. Thank you.
Let's do some short conversations. Pretend we are at a cafe. I ask, would you like some coffee?
Yes, I would like some coffee, please.
Good. How much sugar?
2 sugars, please.
Perfect. Now let's talk about your home. Are you painting a room?
Yes, we are painting the living room. It is a big job.
What color are you using?
A light blue color, like the sky.
Nice choice. Did you move the furniture?
Yes, we moved everything. My back hurts now.
Oh, dear. Remember, hurt is for pain, not my back is pain.
Yes, my back hurts, not my back is pain.
Exactly. Are you using a brush or a roller?
We are using a roller for the walls. It is faster.
Good idea. Is your wife helping?
Yes, she is helping. She is better at painting.
That's teamwork. Do you have all the supplies? Paint, tape, drop cloth?
Yes, we have everything. We bought them yesterday.
Great. When do you think you will finish?
Maybe tomorrow. I hope so. I am very tired.
I understand. Hard work is tiring, but the room will look beautiful.
Thank you. Can I ask another question about English?
Of course. Always ask.
Listen and hear. What is the difference?
Hear is passive. Sounds come to your ears. Listen is active. You pay attention. I hear a noise. I will listen to the music.
Ah, so I hear the teacher, but I must listen to learn.
Perfect. You are learning very fast, Adrian.
Because I have a good teacher. Thank you, Clara.
You're welcome. Let's practice one more thing. Short answers. Do you like pizza?
Yes, I do.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
Are you working tomorrow?
No, I'm not.
Excellent. You did very well today.
Thank you for your patience.
No problem. Practice every day. Watch movies, listen to songs. You will improve.
I will try. I will practice more.
That's the spirit. You know, there's a YouTube channel I really recommend. It's called @EverydayDialogue. They post videos about everyday conversations. It's perfect for practice. They have videos about greetings, restaurants, travel, and even fixing things at home. They are really great.
Oh, really? That sounds very useful for me. Can you send me the exact address? Please message me the link so I can watch and practice with their videos.
Of course, I'll send it to you right after our lesson. Good idea. So, next time, I'll ask you about your daughter's school, okay?
Okay, that's a deal. I will tell you then.
Great. Goodbye for now, Adrian. See you next session.
Goodbye, teacher. Thank you very much.
And that was our video about common English mistakes. Tell us in the comments which words do you often mix up or pronounce wrong. If you liked this lesson, please don't forget to subscribe to @EverydayDialogue for the next video. Thanks for watching and keep practicing. Bye, everyone!